Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are reviewing the Windex glass and window cleaner spray bottle. If you're tired of streaks on your windows and mirrors, this is the solution for you. Made from 100% recovered coastal plastic in partnership with Plastic Bank, this cleaner not only delivers unbeatable streak-free shine, but also helps the environment. This 23 ounces bottle is perfect for both home and car use, making it a versatile and convenient choice for all your glass cleaning needs. Say goodbye to smudges, dirt, fingerprints and other messes with this trusted cleaner. In addition to its effectiveness, the Windex glass and window cleaner spray bottle is also a multi-purpose cleaner, perfect for cleaning glass, windows, mirrors, stovetops, doors and more. So why wait? Make your home sparkle with the Windex glass and window cleaner spray bottle. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing product and see the difference for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.